Hi guys, you're welcome to Math Made Easier with Delmi. I previously made a short video on this question, asking you to uh, solve it, and I don't know if you were able to solve it or you didn't see the video. But today I am bringing to you the tutorial on how to solve the question. And you will love the approach that I use. I make sure I give you the simplest and the best approach possible. Okay, so we have here two different equations, and we've been asked to find the value of 4x plus 2y. So we first start by simplifying the first equation here. Okay, so we will have this first equation, so we first simplify. So the first approach is to square both sides. So squaring both sides, we have this. Alright. Now using the binomial expansion for the left hand side, we'll have this. And if you have any problem with a binomial expansion, let me see in the comments below. Okay, so after the binomial expansion, we'll have this. So then, simplifying this expression, we realize that this x plus x will give us 2x, and root y minus root y goes to 0. And we later also simplify this expression, which involves this expression here, which is a difference of 2 squared. So we have here x squared minus y. Okay, so we have our 2x plus 2 root of x squared minus y equals 4. So bringing items together, so trying to make this equation as very much simpler, what we do have to do is taking the inverse of this 2x, okay, so to the other side. So we have this, but first we have to just simplify the expression. So we divide 2 by 2. Okay, so we have this right there. So we have x plus root of x squared minus y equals 2. So then we take the inverse of x to the other side. So we have this. We have root of x squared minus y equals to minus x. So we replicate what we did here. Okay, so we do it here again by squaring both sides, so that way we take out the square root. Alright, so we have this. Again, a binomial expansion will work. So we have this. Then simplifying this, we'll have, see, the x squared, and this is positive x squared. So when you take the inverse of it, so you have the x squared goes to 0, and you will have your 4x equals y plus 4. Since in the equation we have to find 4x plus 2y, we maintain the 4x here. Okay, so we name it equation 1. Alright, so we do the same for the second equation. So we have this. We go through the same process that we did for the first one. We do the same here with square root. Alright, applying the binomial expansion, we have this as well, and simplifying it further, you will also realize that this is also a difference of 2 squared. Okay, so we have this, and we as well here dividing 2 by 2 wouldn't be so simpler. Okay, so because this one is not divisible by 2. Okay, so what you have to do is just maintain it like this, and we take this root to the right hand side and bring the 1 to the left hand side. So we have this, and we as well square root both sides, and we have this. By binomial expansion as well, we have this, and simplifying this as well. So we have 4y squared and 4y squared, so they you cancel out, so that move to 0, and we end up having 4x equals 4y minus 1. So we have that our equation 2 and our equation 1. So we realize that our equation 1 is in terms of is a subject. It's a subject for 4x. Okay, say it's a subject of 4x, and equation 2 is also a subject of 4x, so we can equate the two. Okay, so we end up having 4y minus 1 equals y plus 2, that is y plus 4, that is equating the equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, so since 4x equals 4x, so we equate that, and we try to simplify that. So simplifying it, bringing the like terms together, 4y minus 4y equals, so we have 3y equals 5, divide 2 by 3, then we have y equals 5 on 3. So that is the value of y. So putting the value of y into the and equation 1 into the open statement for x plus 2y. Okay, so it means that we just have to maintain this 4x. Okay, so we can use any of the equation, whether equation 1 or equation 2. Alright, so I would like to use the equation 1, that is y plus 4. Okay, so in place of the 4x, I will put the y plus 4, and in place of the y, then I will put the 5 on 3. So we first simplify. So let's see how we count it there. So we have the 4x here, okay, which has been replaced by the y plus 4. Okay, so you can see this here. Okay, this here, which is the 4x. Okay, then use the 2y is still there, maintain that. Okay, so then we will simplify this, the y. So y plus 2y, that will give us 3y. Okay, then 3y plus 4. Remember, we are still maintaining this. Okay, this is the value we are looking for. So we have 3y plus 4. Then we can substitute the value of y, okay, into this. So we have 3 bracket open, 5 on 3 bracket close plus 4. Then simplifying this, we have 9, and that is the value for x plus 2y. Since the question didn't ask us to find the value of x, so we don't need x, so that is why I didn't find the x. So just look for the y, then substitute that values and the value, and you get your final answer. So I hope you all got the answer correct, and see you in my next video. Thank you.